How to master React.js from home, expert tips and tricks. Welcome, aspiring developers, to a thrilling journey into the world of React.js. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll unveil the secrets of this powerful JavaScript library and show you how to harness its full potential, all from the comfort of your home. So, grab your favorite beverage, and let's dive right in. Setting the stage, getting started with React.js. Before we embark on this adventure, let's make sure we're well prepared. Here are the initial steps to get you up and running with React.js. Step 1. Installing the prerequisites. To unlock React.js power, we need to set up our development environment. Start by installing Node.js and npm, Node Package Manager, if you haven't already. These will be our trusty companions throughout this journey. First, we need to install Node.js, and that's enabling you to work with React.js. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. It allows you to run JavaScript code outside of a web browser, making it perfect for server-side and command-line applications. Node.js comes bundled with npm, which is the default package manager for Node.js. Step 2. Creating a new React.js project. Once our environment is ready, let's create a new React.js project. Using your command line interface, execute a few magical words, npx create React app my awesome app. Watch as the gears start turning and your project takes shape. 2. Unveiling the magic, exploring React.js fundamentals. Now that we have our project up and running, let's uncover the magic behind React.js. These next steps will introduce you to its fundamental concepts and help you become familiar with its spellbinding powers. 3. Understanding components. In React.js, everything revolves around components. Learn the art of creating functional and class components, and discover how they fit together to build powerful user interfaces. 4. Mastering JSX wizardry. Prepare to be enchanted by JSX, a syntax extension that allows us to write HTML-like code within JavaScript. Unleash your creativity as you weave together components, props, and state with this wizardry. Crafting the spell, building a React.js application. Now it's time to put our newfound knowledge into action and build a React.js application that will leave your friends spellbound. 5. Designing the user interface. Envision the perfect user interface and bring it to life using React.js. Learn the art of crafting reusable and responsive components, laying the foundation for a captivating application. 6. Managing state and props. No spell is complete without managing the magical ingredients, state, and props. Discover how to manipulate them to create dynamic and interactive experiences for your users. 7. Casting spells with React.js hooks. React.js hooks are like spells that allow us to add extra functionality to our components. Uncover the power of useState, useEffect, and other enchanting hooks, empowering your application with incredible capabilities. Conclusion. Congratulations, dear apprentice, on completing this captivating journey through the realm of React.js. You've unlocked the power to create mesmerizing user interfaces and wield the might of this remarkable library, all from the comfort of your home. Remember to practice your newfound skills, explore further, and continue honing your craft. The possibilities with React.js are limitless, so go forth and build something truly magical.